Welcome friends, today I'm going to show you the recipe of vegetable chop. To make the vegetable cutlet chop mixture, first heat a pan on a medium flame. Once the pan is hot, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Here I'm using peanut oil. Once the oil is hot, add a half teaspoon of fennel seeds and half a cup of chopped onions and saute them well. After a couple of minutes, add 1 teaspoon of ginger-garlic paste and saute it well until the raw smell goes away. After a couple of minutes, add 1 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 cup of boiled and mashed beetroots, half cup of boiled and mashed carrots, and half a cup of boiled peas. Now mix them well. Here I am using potato masher to mix these ingredients well, as we need to mash the peas also. After it is mashed nicely, saute it well for a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, it's time to add spices. Here I am using 3 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. You can adjust according to your taste. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. You can add any other masala, and it is totally optional. You can skip it too. Now mix it well. It takes nearly 6 to 7 minutes to completely dry it out. After 5 minutes, you can see the mixture is a little bit dry. At this point of time, we are going to add half a teaspoon of Garam Masala and chopped cilantro. Now mix it well and switch off the flame and let it completely cool down. You can see after some time the mixture is completely cooled down. If you want it to be a little bit quick, you can put it in the fridge. From this mixture, you can also make parathas, sandwiches, or veg puffs. First, we will add 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. You can add fried peanuts also. It will give it a nice crunch. Here I have taken 3 teaspoons of arrowroot powder and add water in it to make a thin mixture like this, and 1 cup of breadcrumbs to roll the chops in to make it more crunchy. To start with, we will take a little bit of oil in your hand so that the mixture will not stick to your hands, and we will mold them into a cylindrical shape. You can make whatever shape you want, but like these are easy to work with, and traditionally vegetable chops are in this shape only. And now we are going to roll it in this mixture and then roll it again in the breadcrumbs and keep it aside. You can see that from the same process I made 10 pieces of this. I will show you both the process of frying it in oil and also air frying it. Also, you can make them in big batches and keep it in your freezer. To air fry, we have to keep the air fryer on the air fryer mode and 400 Fahrenheit, and we need to air fry them for 60 minutes, 8 minutes each side. To deep fry the vegetable chops, I have kept the oil on a medium flame. Now the oil is hot. Let's fry the chops. It will take a couple minutes on each side to deep fry them, and you can see the darker ones are the deep fried ones and the light shade ones are air fried. You can serve them with ketchup and hot tea. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.